Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Kimchi Bokkeumbap, which is Kimchi Fried Rice. Let's get started! Before I start, I wanna give a shout out to 7 Legs Ferry. This one is for you. First, we need 1 leek. Chop finely and put to the side. Kimchi means pickled cabbage, 볶음 means stir-fried, and bap means rice, so kimchi bokkeumbap means kimchi fried rice. Next, we need 1 hot pepper, diced finely. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this part. When you go to Korean barbecue restaurant, make sure not to eat everything. Instead, leave a couple of pieces of meat at the end and ask them to make a fried rice. Using the leftover kimchi and meat, the server will make you kimchi fried rice, complete with an egg and seaweed, sometimes even cheese. Put it to the side. Now we need 100 grams of pork belly. Slice the pork belly into thin strips and put it to the side. Kimchi fried rice is one of Korea's most famous foods, but it's actually a relatively modern dish. Koreans always ate mixed rice, bibimbap, but after 1939, Koreans began to make Chinese-style bibimbap by stir-frying their rice. Kimchi fried rice was created by making a Chinese-style or fried kimchi bibimbap. We need about 1 or 2 cups of kimchi. Chop it into small bite-sized pieces and put to the side. When I was young, my mom used to cook me kimchi bokkeumbap with a little bit of ketchup since kids usually cannot eat spicy food. Ketchup will bring out the unique sweetness of the kimchi bokkeumbap, which kids love. If you want me to make a kids version of kimchi bokkeumbap, please let me know in comments. Korean food is usually pretty spicy, so there are a bunch of kids version of recipe that I can make that your kids will love. Heat up a large pan on medium-high and add a bit of oil. Add just the leek and spicy pepper first and stir-fry to flavor the oil. Some restaurants sell kimchi bokkeumbap but serve stir-fried kimchi on plain rice. Both are delicious, just make sure you know what you're ordering. After a minute or 2, add your pork belly and a dash of black pepper. Making leek oil before adding the pork will get rid of the pork's odor. There are different kinds of kimchi bokkeumbap. You can put pork, ham, tuna, chicken, or just veggies. Today we are making kimchi bokkeumbap using my favorite ingredient, samgyeopsal or pork belly. When the pork is lightly cooked, add all of your kimchi. 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix well. You can also turn your kimchi bokkeumbap into omurice very easy by placing an omelette on top. You can check my last omurice episode here. When the kimchi is cooked, move your food to the side and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Make sure that the soy sauce and food doesn't mix. Wait until the soy sauce boils before mixing everything together. Boiling the soy sauce will neutralize the soy sauce bitter flavor, making it just salty and sweet. Finally, add 2 to 3 cups of white rice and mix everything together. Koreans usually make kimchi bokkeumbap when they cannot think of what to eat and have to finish their leftover rice. It's simple and fast and helps get rid of leftover ingredients in the fridge. Pat it down to get it nice and crispy on the bottom. After a few minutes, move the rice to a bowl. Oil a clean pan and crack 1 egg into the pan on medium-high. Some people like to put scrambled egg in their kimchi bokkeumbap, but I like my egg over easy. Cook until the egg whites are fully cooked. Then carefully place the egg on top of the rice. Sprinkle a bit of parsley and a couple of toasted sesame seeds on top. And that's it. We're all ready to eat.
I got a little bit of everything. Mmm. It tastes so good.
I think pork goes really well with the kimchi. When you stir fry kimchi in a pork belly fat, it tastes so good. And it goes so well with the egg. So you should definitely try it. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. If you want to see more video, it's over here and over here. If you have any food that you want me to make, please comment down below. I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!